Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius 8 sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. What are the messages for Aquarius 8 sign and what's going on. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius? Six of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. You only the person always investing in this connection. Maybe your person putting you in waiting mode because Seven of Pentacles with Six of Pentacles. There is no equal give and take. Maybe your person is unavailable to you emotionally when you need them. Definitely that's why maybe they're putting you in your waiting mode, which causing so much anxiety and resistance in this connection. Lot of deception. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Chariot, the Magician and Nine of Pentacles. I think in recent you started investing energy on yourself. You started focusing on your career, on your abundance, because Nine of Pentacles with Magician, you started keep attracting your abundance, and you maybe started work on your self growth, self love, whatever, Aquarius, and it is very good sign, because when you start working on yourself, things are turning out into your favor no matter what. But that is very difficult. You have to do consistently no matter what. So the Magician with Nine of Pentacles, yeah, you are starting doing things for you and working on yourself. And you are in recent past Magician energy. You are manifesting everything in your life. If not in near future, you will. And the Chariot, maybe it is a slow process, but you keep consistently doing it. And then present, Five of Wands, Ace of Pentacles and High Priestess. I think you are manifesting literally, and your higher guides are with you. You are trusting your intuition. Keep that, because intuition never goes wrong. Follow your intuition. And Ace of Pentacles, your abundance is looking good. In near future, you will get financial stability because Ace of Pentacles. And Five of Wands, I think in your relationship there is a lot of drama is going. Maybe your person is fighting for your attention because you are focusing on your career, on yourself only this time, because there is no equal give and take. That's why you decided to focus on yourself. So that's why maybe there is a lot of drama also going between you and your person. And future energies, Two of Wands, the Lovers and Four of Swords. You are not talking to your person. Maybe you are undergoing some healing process. Even though you love this person, but you are not talking to them. But you are thinking not about, you totally forget about them. That not. You healing yourself, you want to heal yourself first. And Two of Wands, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And Two of Wands, and you also thinking about them a lot. And there is love, but there is no commitment, what I'm getting here from this reading. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you, then you will get more clarity. Yeah, Five of Cups. For some, you are in separation with your person. They're feeling sad. So let's see their feelings towards you, Aquarius. Your person feelings towards you. I think Ten of Swords. I think they're in so much pain without you, Aquarius, because 8 of Swords, 5 of Swords and 4 of Cups. They're feeling sad for the missed opportunity, and they're feeling bored without you. They're feeling alone. And 8 of Swords, they're feeling stuck. They're unable to make any move. And 5 of Swords energy, they may be backstabbed on you, cheated on you. They may be scared to come towards you, but unable to come because this time they're feeling stuck. There are a lot of stuff going in their mind, especially, and they're feeling missed opportunity with you. Yeah, 10 of Swords. But they want rebirth in this connection, but they don't know how to approach you because they're feeling stuck right now. So let's see their actions, Aquarius. Your person near future actions. I think your person stuck right now, and 3 of Wands with 9 of Swords. They're missing you, they're feeling alone, they're getting a lot of thoughts regarding you. They're unable to sleep at night times, especially when they are alone. They keep thinking about you. You are on their mind 24/7, literally. And 3 of Wands, I think the waiting game is going between you and your person. Right now your person stuck and unable to make any move. Maybe they are not on their control because King of Wands with Hangman and 3 of Wands, they want to take their power back. King of Wands energy, they want to be on that energy. Then they will, in near future, energy will change. Then they will make a move towards you. Right now I think there is no particular action towards you, to be honest, because the Hangman with 3 of Wands, again waiting. Maybe they are waiting for your message and call, but they're missing you. They're thinking about you a lot. 9 of Swords energy and the Hangman, and they're missing you for sure. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Wow, 3 of Pentacles with 4 of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. They have emotions for you, but right now they really want to work on this relationship, but they're feeling stuck. 4 of Pentacles again holding back. They're unable to make any move even though they want to take this relationship next level. They're feeling stuck. That's why you're totally focusing on yourself, on your career, on your growth, and that is very good also. Yeah, 3 of Pentacles 2 times and Tower. Right now you both are in separation, undergoing some Tower moment. You are also feeling hard work. This relationship is too hard work for you because you only the person always doing all the things in this connection, especially. And 3 of Pentacles, there is no collaboration, there is no partnership between both of you. That's why you are feeling like this. And I think a lot of fire energy. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Okay, yeah, patience is the key here. Temperance and Queen of Wands. I think you both are focusing on yourself, on your career, on your growth, and you both want to stand by your power. And Temperance, the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. So you both patiently waiting for the right time. I think patience is the key in this connection. I think this connection has to restore the balance. I think there is no balance between both of you. So 3 of Pentacles, I think there is no partnership literally. In near future, maybe there is a chance for partnership. I think they will make a move towards you, but I think it will take so much time. So you have to focus on yourself, because literally, because 3 of Pentacles, 4 of, they want to come back. They are juggling, maybe they're juggling between head over heart like situation. 3 of Pentacles with 4 of Pentacles. So keep on working on yourself, Aquarius. So let's see your overall energy for the week. But they're missing you. Yeah, you are getting success for your hard work. Communication is coming, but it will take some time. And 10 of Cups, you want this happiness with your person. Spying is going. I think your person is spying on you on social media. So let's see your person overall energy. They're stuck on you. They're thinking about you a lot. Yeah, 6 of Pentacles. Now they're ready to offer equal give and take. In past, there is no equal even give and take. I already told you. They want to fix the things between both of you, and commitment issues and justice. Maybe they're coming back for second chance, but it will take some time. So much time. Right now your person feeling stuck. So let's see some messages from your person. And okay, I'm feeling sad without you. Lot of abundance is coming. This person is sneaky, and I realized my mistake in the last card. Toxic person. Yeah, for some this person could be toxic for you and sneaky, so be careful if you know about that. And lot of abundance is coming, I already told you, and they realize their mistake and they're feeling sad without you. I already told you that message also, and I want you back. So for those who really know that your person is toxic for you, leave them. So those who, not for all, for very few, for some your person really missing you and they realize their mistake, they want to come back. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck, Aquarius. Your hard work is paying off. Abundance. So if you are doing consistent hard work toward your goals, definitely your hard work is paying off for you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.